Buck Knives is known for quality, American-made quality. Keeping up with this tradition is the 840 Sprint Select. Made with an ergonomically textured nylon handle and a 420HC stainless steel blade, this knife exudes a cool that you'll want to carry with you every day. Utilizing ball-bearing flipper technology, the action is fast and smooth as butter and locks securely with a liner lock. Added features like a contrasting color spacer and a removable deep carry pocket clip make this knife a true conversation starter. Just be careful not to loan it to a buddy, or you might not ever get it back. The 840 Sprint Select is available in 3 color combinations to suit your personal style: olive green with a yellow spacer, gray with blue spacer, and black with a red spacer. At only 3.2 ounces, it's so light you might just forget that it's in your pocket. Made in Post Falls, Idaho, guaranteed forever, the Buck Knives 840 Sprint Select.
(1964). A highly classified Special Ops Unit known as Military Assistance Command Vietnam Studies and Observations Group, or MACV-SOG, carries a unique combat knife into the jungle on covert missions. Years later, in 1986, that knife inspires a young designer to found SOG, paying tribute to that Special Ops Unit with its very first knife. What begins as a single commemorative model soon becomes a full line of innovative tools, field-proven by U.S. Special Forces, and after rigorous testing, honored as the Navy SEAL knife of choice. And today, there's a SOG for anyone who demands the best. So whether you're protecting others, guiding a job to completion, leading an epic expedition, tackling one of life's everyday challenges, or facing your most extreme conditions yet, no matter what your task or where you go, lead the way with SOG. Forged out of tradition, hardened in the field, honed for you. SOG, take point.
Ever notice that the best advice usually involves some sort of decisive action? Take on the world, seize the day, grab life by the horns. Maybe it's because the guys who say things worth listening to aren't the type to humbly accept whatever life hands them. Instead, they choose to craft reality with their own hands. There's a pride in doing that some folks don't or won't understand. But if you do, if you're one of those types who knows the satisfaction of solving your own problems and of being well prepared and well equipped, then you're one of us. And you're among good company. At CRKT, we work alongside the most innovative designers in the world, people who share our passion for purpose, to consistently deliver the tools and knives that shape the industry. We're proud to be an American company. We were born in Oregon, so naturally our products tend to take after the place we've called home for the past 20 years. At first glance, it's all jaw-dropping, eye-popping beauty. But get up close and you'll realize there's another side, the business side. The don't you ever underestimate me side. It's why guys who choose CRKT knives and tools can, frankly, be a little particular about them. They know that there's just something right about holding the perfect tool in your hands. And once you've felt that connection, it's hard to accept anything less.